friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Highland Green, a neighborhood in the heart of Red Deer, Alberta. This area sits on the city's north side, known for its mix of peaceful residential streets and easy access to local parks and schools. The community began to take shape in the early 1970s as Red Deer expanded and families looked for quiet suburban living. It's close to shopping, recreation centers, and some of the best amenities Red Deer has to offer. The nearby parks and trails make it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy staying active. Whether you're visiting or just exploring Red Deer, Highland Green offers a peaceful place to slow down and feel right at home. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Thanks for watching!